What sets top-performing businesses apart from their competitors? We surveyed more than 2,000 global business leaders and found that many share a powerful attribute. More than 2/3 of top-performing businesses are turning to managed services for strategic advantage, with the goal of not only reducing costs, but becoming faster and more innovative. These businesses have discovered that their approach to managed services and financial outperformance is inextricably linked, and the further they ascend along the maturity curve, embracing managed services for access to talent and technology, the more likely they are to benefit from higher profit margins, revenue growth, and superior stakeholder value. These enterprises free up time for people to work on activities that deliver higher value, increasing their potential for arriving at the outcomes that matter, and improving their ability to sustain them. That's a competitive edge that's hard to beat. For example, PwC US worked with a global pharmaceutical company who wanted to transform their bottom-line profitability while growing revenue. PwC's Application Evolution Services team, along with our cloud and digital practice, are leading the company through this operating model evolution, managing the design, implementation, and operations of their new ERP system, while continuously monitoring and updating the solution with emerging operational trends and technology. This holistic, integrated program will lead the client to their IT operating model of the future and support their ongoing business model reinvention enabled by technology. As a result, the client is well positioned to achieve sustainable outcomes and their growth initiatives. Let PwC's global network of more than 14,000 managed services professionals and 47,000 delivery specialists transform and run your complex processes and functions while you expand your capabilities and focus on product and service innovation, speed to market, and growth. Consider us your digital business ally with deep industry expertise in tax, risk, compliance, finance and accounting, legal, cloud, and digital, as well as applications, and a connected technology alliance ecosystem to help you deliver sustained outcomes at scale. PwC Managed Services. Trusted to manage and accelerate your outcomes.